It was somehow what I expected, because I mean I did some internships, and so I kind of knew what I'm getting into. What's a bit different is when you get involved in the whole company politics, and when things start to change, and decisions are made on a level where you just have no influence at all, and you cannot interact with, because when someone on the board is making a decision, then that's a decision. There's no discussion about it in the most cases, or the discussion is made somewhere else where you have, as a normal designer, have no influence on. But that's fine. I mean, that it has to be. The companies are huge, and they're just run that way. As a student, you somehow have this idealistic idea of you have ideas and you're gonna change the world or whatever, and this doesn't work like that in the normal car industry. Of course, sometimes ideas get through and you can push things, and I really would like to encourage everybody to do so and come up with cool ideas and bring them up. But don't be disappointed when it doesn't go immediately through. I think what's amazing is the amount of talent which the car industry has, especially in design. I think I met so many very, very talented people in the car industry, and even more than I expected. And the skills, the level of professionalism in design is in the car industry. I haven't seen that anywhere else.